In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix CIBC Mobile Banking login not working. Let's get started. First thing you should do is check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network because a weak connection can prevent the login page from loading properly. Next, restart your device. This helps clear temporary glitches that might be causing the app to freeze or fail the login. Next, check for app updates. So launch App Store or Play Store, then search for the app CIBC. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, double check your login credentials. Make sure you are entering the correct client card number, username, and password. If you have forgotten your password, use the forgot password option to reset it securely. If the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete CIBC Mobile Banking app from your device and reinstall it. This might resolve the issue. Lastly, try logging into the CIBC website instead of app. Launch your preferred browser, type in CIBC Online Banking, then navigate to its official website. Here, provide your credentials and try to log in. If nothing works, you can contact CIBC customer support for help with their account, and that's it. These are the best ways to fix CIBC mobile banking login issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.